On Fynd Platform, click on Extensions. Click Explore. Select SFTP from the list and click Install. Click Accept and continue to proceed. Now let's configure the extension for our use. Choose Authentication type. In this job, select SSH and password. Enter a username and select a strong password. Select the file type that you will be sending. For this job, we select CSV. Select the frequency at which you will be sending the inventory file. Select the inventory type from the drop-down menu. Choose if you want to send the complete inventory or the delta file. Select if you want to update the price via the inventory file or the Fynd Platform catalog file. If you choose the inventory file, you'll need to specify the ESP threshold. Items with prices lower than the threshold will not be updated in the count. Click Next to proceed. Select this option if you want to send a compressed zip file. Select the encoding format as per your requirement. Enter the header names as per your inventory file. Review the configuration. After you are satisfied, click Confirm and save. The setup is complete. Download the SSH key to your system. You are now on the SFTP homepage. Select Selling Locations. You can activate or deactivate a location by clicking the Action button and toggling the status. To activate multiple locations, click Bulk Action. Select all locations from the drop-down and download the Excel file. Open the file, set the status to active and save it. Click Choose File and upload the saved file from your system. After the upload is complete, go back to the Selling Locations tab. The location status is now updated. Now let's send a file via SFTP and check it on the extension. Enter the SSH credentials from the downloaded file on the file server. For this job, we are using FileZilla. Add the job details to the sample file that was downloaded during the setup process and upload it to your server. Now go to the History tab on the SFTP homepage. This new job will be in queue. Wait a few minutes for the status to change. Once complete, it will be marked as success. The job upload is now complete. Select Inventory from the home page. This tab provides detailed information on the latest inventory updates on SKUs. If there is a quantity or price mismatch between Fynd and SFTP, then you need to perform a manual sync to eliminate the mismatch. You can manually sync the inventory either by seller identifier or by location code. You can select all the seller identifiers from the drop-down or enter them manually. Enter the date range and click on Sync. You can select all the locations or individual locations from the drop-down. Select the date range and click on Sync. Go to Trace Products to check if an article's inventory push was successful. Enter the seller identifier, select the status from the list and click on Get Logs. The status is displayed along with the response details. Click on Job Settings. Here you can add a new job or edit created jobs. Click on any existing job to edit it. Click Submit once you are done editing. The new configuration will be saved. Select Audit Trail on the SFTP homepage. The user's activities can be viewed in chronological order. Choose the type of events you want to see from the drop-down. Select History on the home page. Here you can view the job logs and their status. You can apply filters based on date, status or job code. You can download the job report by clicking on the download icon. Click on General Settings. Here you can manually sync your catalog and selling locations from the Fynd platform to SFTP. If you no longer wish to use the extension, you can disable it by clicking the toggle button.